If you want to know how you can add or remove your Samsung account on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Samsung account. Now from here, just scroll down. Now if you want to sign into your Samsung account using your email or your phone number, just tap on email or phone number over here. But if you want to sign into using your Gmail account, just tap on sign in with Google. Now just select your Gmail account. And from here, just scroll down. Now from here, you can give your Samsung account what it can access from your Google account. As you can see, you can give the access to your language preferences. You can give it the access to see your age group, also your date of birth. Now from here, just tap on select all, then just scroll down and tap on continue. Now just select I have read and agreed to all the above and tap on agree. Now in this section, just enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, then tap on send. And once you do that, you will receive an OTP code on the phone number which you have entered. And after you receive the OTP code on your phone number, just enter it in this section. After that, just tap on verify. Now just tap on OK. And once you do that, you will successfully add your Samsung account to your Galaxy Tab A9. Now to remove the Samsung account from your Galaxy Tab A9, in the Settings app, just tap on your Samsung account. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Sign Out. Select Sign Out and tap on Send Email. And after you do that, you will receive an email from Samsung on your email account. Just open the email you will receive and confirm the sign out process. And after you do that, you will successfully sign out of your Samsung account. Just like that. And this is how you can add or remove your Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.